Example 1, matrix notation. Let A equal 3, 2, 0, negative 4, negative 5, negative 1/5. A. What is the order of A? The order of a matrix is denoted by M times N, where M is the number of rows and N is the number of columns. So the order of A is, notice how A has 2 rows and 3 columns. Can't really see that. So the order of A is 2 by 3. Now, you wouldn't say 2 times 3. This is read as 2 by 3. Example B. If A equals A sub ij, identify A sub 2, 3 and A sub 1, 2. So remember that the first subscript, I, refers to the row number, and the second subscript, j, refers to the column number. So if we were looking for 2, 3, we would be in row 2, and we would be in column 3. So that would be negative 1/5. So A sub 2, 3 would be negative 1/5. Now let's look for A sub 1, 2. So here we would be in the first row and the second column, which would give us 2. So A sub 1, 2 equals 2.